Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create videos like these. These types of videos are going viral right now. They're extremely easy to make, and the best part is they're fully safe under YouTube community guidelines. Let me show you an example. As you can see, these videos are very simple. They usually feature an AI character talking about a specific topic with captions displayed on the screen. That's it. We can create videos like this in just 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes. Now take a look at this channel. The creator started on December 20th and reached 50,000 subscribers with only 13 videos. That's massive. The channel has over 3 million views, which clearly shows people are watching and subscribing. The audience for this content is likely over 40 or 50 years old, which means higher RPM. This channel could easily be making between $20,000 to $30,000 per month. Now let's break down exactly how to create these videos. First, we'll use a tool called HeyGen. This is a paid tool, but it's very affordable. You can create unlimited videos for around $60 per month. The first step is creating an avatar. Go to Create Avatar and select Virtual Avatar. Yes, give your avatar a name and choose basic details like age and appearance. Next, we'll create a reference image. I take a screenshot of a real person and upload it into ChatGPT to generate a realistic avatar image. I use a detailed prompt that describes the avatar's age, ethnicity, setting, and style. Once the image is ready, I upload it into HeyGen. After about 15 to 30 seconds, the avatar is fully created. Now choose the avatar look you like the most. I prefer a clean, professional, new style appearance. Next, we move on to the script. You can generate your script using ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI writing tool. For example, videos, I use around 500 words. Once the script is ready, copy it into HeyGen. Now select a voice for your avatar. Choose a voice that matches the character's age and tone. Preview a few options and pick the one that sounds best. Once everything is set, render the video. The video usually takes a few minutes to generate. After that, it's ready to upload. And that's exactly how you can create viral AI avatar videos, quickly and easily. So now the video is ready. I've already generated multiple YouTube channels and TikTok videos using this method. And as you can see, the process is extremely simple. You can easily change the background to something like a bookshelf or a study room. Here's an example clip. As you can see, the video looks very natural. The lip sync is clean, and the overall quality is excellent. All you need to do now is download the video and upload it to YouTube. One important thing I almost missed is captions. Adding captions is very easy. You'll find the captions option right here. You can add clean, simple captions that look great and improve watch time. Once that's done, your video is ready to go. If you liked this video and found the process helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more videos like this to help you succeed with YouTube automation. Thanks for watching.